Director-General Debt Management Office Patience Oniha has expressed concern about rising debt levels in West Africa, warning of increasing risk to regional stability. Speaking at the 11th Annual Conference of the West Africa Association of Public Accounts Committees in Abuja, she highlighted that public debt in the region was expanded sharply over the past decade, a situation worsened by the COVID-19 pandemic. She identified Nigeria, Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire and Senegal as the region's largest borrowers by 2020. Also speaking, Nigeria's Auditor-General Shaakaa Chira revealed that the country's debt stood at 143.5 trillion naira as of December 2024, comprising 68.8 trillion naira in external debt and 74.6 trillion naira in domestic debt.
The key challenges of public debt management in the region has to do with debt sustainability, which the earlier speaker elaborated on the debt sustainability. And the rising debt burden threatens debt sustainability and the overall macroeconomic stability of the region.
As at 31st December 2024, not audited yet, the public debts of the Federation stood at 143.5 trillion. And out of it, external component of the public debt, 68.8 trillion, and domestic debt component amounted to 74.6 trillion.
Other stakeholders called for stronger legislative oversight of loans and stronger partnership with the media to expose corrupt practices linked to public debt.
Today, you do debt servicing by 70% of your revenue, so how much is left to do infrastructures? Sometimes there was a time in this country we're borrowing to pay recurrent expenditure. That's not supposed to be.
Facilitating access to data and report is necessary. Let's have SAIs and parliamentary committees can improve transparency by making audit report and debt information publicly accessible. Whenever we knock at your door, we want that information readily accessible and something that we can actually get, when we knock at your door. There's need for monitoring and investigative collaboration.
For lawmakers, the ability to understand DSS, interpret debt metrics, and enforce meaningful debt proceedings is vital for promoting fiscal responsibility. And by applying these tools, legislators can ensure that public borrowing supports inclusive growth without endangering long-term stability.